Good morning students. Welcome back to our English class. Today's topic is adverbs. Adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of negation, interrogative adverbs. Already you have learned that an adverb qualifies a verb. Adverbs can be used for the another purpose. I have written 3 sentences. Please look at the board. A. These shoes are too big for you. B. This is a very difficult question. Number C. The room was quite dark. Now I am explaining these sentences. In A, the adverb to tells us how big the shoes are. The adverb to therefore qualifies the adjective big. In B, the adverb very tells us how difficult the question is. That is the extent of its difficulty. It therefore qualifies the adjective difficult. In C, the adverb quite tells us how dark the room was. It therefore qualifies the adjective dark. In all these 3 cases, an adverb qualifies an adjective and answers the questions to what extent. Such an adverb is known as an adverbs of degree. Understood? Now, adverbs of frequency. Look at the board. I have written 3 sentences. Binod always comes late to school. B. Rina often comes late to school. C. Saurabh sometimes comes late to school. All these adverbs, always, often, sometimes, all time happens or is done as known as the adverbs of frequency. These adverbs tells us how often or frequently something is done or happens. Okay students? Now adverbs of negation. Please look at the board. I have written 2 sentences. Raja could not sit for the examination as he was ill. John is not feeling well. The word not has been used to form the negative of the verb sit and could is feeling. Such a word like not that is used to form the negative of a verb is known as the adverb of negation. Okay? Again I am telling, such a word like not that is used to form the negative of a verb is known as an adverb of negation. Now interrogative adverbs. Adverbs which are used to ask questions is called interrogative adverbs. Please look at the board. Number 1. When did Rajiv home last night? Here when is interrogative adverbs and acting as adverbs of time. Number 2. Where did the battle take place? Here where acting as adverbs of place because at what place. Number C. How did the thief manage to escape? Here how is interrogative adverbs and how acting in what way. That is how is adverbs of manner. My dear students, turn the page number 13. C. Fill in the blanks with suitable interrogative adverbs. I am telling the answer orally. Number 1. Dash, did you not report the accident to the police? What is the answer? Why? Number 2. Dash, do you think you will finish reading this book? What is the answer? Number 2. When? Number 3. Dash, hard is it raining now? How hard is it raining now? Number 4. Mother, where are my socks? Ask beneath. Here, where is answer. Number 5. How many people turned up to listen to the minister's speech? Here, how is answer. Number 6. Why do some tigers become manatees? Here, answer is why. Number 7. How much have you paid for these fancy shoes? Here, how is interrogative adverbs. Number 8. Dash, did Akbar shift his capital from Delhi? Here, when is answer. Number 9. Dash, high is Mr. Everest? How high is Mr. Everest? Number 10. When can you meet and go for a swim? Here, when is interrogative adverb. Number 11. Where did he go after school yesterday? Here, answer is where. Number 12. Dash, will the shops open in the morning? What is the answer? When. When will the shops open in the morning? Dear students, today I am explaining this chapter as revision. Thank you.